Good afternoon everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home. So my dears, you are attending your class every day, doing your work regularly, complete your book regularly, do your work regularly. So there must be not be any burden on you at the time of your exam. You will get all the material in your notebook so that you complete your notebook at the regular lecture only. Okay, so which period is this? This is your English period. Previous we have learned the letter to write in sequence. What we have learned? We have learned to write letter in sequence. What we have done? Which letter will come first? Which letter will come first? You know, you have 4 lines in your notebook. In your notebook, English notebook, there are 4 lines. Look here, first pink line, then 2 blue lines and one again pink line. So we have to write in 3 lines. Okay, we write capital letter in 3 lines. So which first letter will come? A. Look here, standing line, and then sleeping line. Which letter is this? A. Now you are writing with the help of dot, but after that you have to write without dot. Okay? Yes or no? Yes. So which letter is this? Letter A. A for apple. A for, look here, A for apple. A for arrow. A for arrow. A for ant. A for ant. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Okay. Then A for alligator. A for ant. A for ant. Okay, we have learned so many things from letter A. A for apple, A for arrow, A for ant, A for aeroplane, A for ant, A for alligator. Okay? After A, which letter will come? After A, which letter will come? Letter B. Which letter will come? B. Now I am teaching you to write with the help of dot, but after that you have to write without dot. So how you will write? B, standing line, then half curve and again half curve. So which letter is this? B. Which letter is this? B. B for ball. B for bed. B for boat. Okay. B for black color. B for black color. B for bun. Okay. B for ball. B for bat, B for boat, B for black color, B for bun, B for buffalo, B for birds. Okay? Yes. A, B, after B. Which letter will come? C. Which letter will come? C. So, how you will write? You will start from upper line to base line. half curve. Half curve. Which letter is this? C. C for cup. C for cat. C for car. C for car. C for come. C for come. C for chocolates. C for chocolates. C for class. What is this? This is your class. C for class. Okay. A, B, C. After C, which letter will come? D. Which letter will come? D. So how we will write D? Standing line from up to down and then half curve. And then half curve from right side. Okay. Which is D for door. D for door. D for drum. D for drum. D for doll. D for dog. D for dog. D for doctor. D for doctor. D for door. D for drum. D for dog. D for doll. D for doctor. After that, today we will do some exercises. What we will do? We will do some exercises. Okay. So, look here. Match the same letter. What you have to do? You have to match the same letter. Okay. Match the same letter. Which letter is this? A, B, C, D. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to match the same letter. Which letter is this? A. Which letter is this? A. So it's look like same. This is also A. No, this is C. Look here. This is A. Both are same. No, this is B. Now look here. This letter. Both are same. Both are A. No, this is D. Now look here. This letter and this. Both are same. Yes. So we will match A with A. What we will do? We will match A with A. Now look here. Next letter. Which letter is this? B. Which letter is this? B. So this letter are same. Both letters are same. No. This is C. Okay. This is B. This is also B. Yeah. So we can match it. From B to B. Which letter is this? C. Which letter is this? C. So look here, both letters are same. Yes. So we match C with C. Which letter is this? D. So look here, this is C, B, this is D. Both the letters are same. So what we will do? We will match D with D. Very good. You have done good. Now we will do another exercise. What we will do? Another exercise. Now we will match the letter with picture. With picture. We have matched the same letter. Now we will match the letter with picture. With picture. So all of you look here. All of you look at the board. We have to match the letter with picture. So letters are given here. We have to match it with picture. Okay. All of you look properly and match it. Draw the picture and color also. Do color also. Color the picture also. Okay. With crayons only and pencil color, not with sketch pen. Okay. Okay. Now look here at the board. Which letter is this? A. A for chair? No. A for duck? No. A for bus? No. A for arrow? Yes. A for arrow. So we will match A with arrow. What we will do? We will match A with arrow. Now, which letter is this? B. B for chair? No. B for duck? No. B for bus? Yes. So match B with bus. Okay. Now look here. Which letter is this? C. C for chair? C for chair? Yes. So we will match C for chair. We will match C with chair. Now look here. D. D for chair? No, because C for chair. D for duck? Yes. So we will match D with duck. D with duck. Now if you want to take a screenshot, you can take this screenshot. If you want to take the screenshot, you can take the screenshot. Okay, now we will do next exercise. These exercises are very simple. Okay, these exercises are very simple. So you have to do in your notebook. Next, color the picture. We start from letter C. Color the picture. We start from letter C. Okay. Here some pictures are given to you. You have to color it. What you have to do? You have to color the picture. The letter will start from C. The letter will start from C. Okay. What you have to do? You have to color the picture. We start from letter C. You know C for cup, C for chair, C Yes, C for chair, C for cup, C for cat. Good. C for come. Okay. So you have to color the picture. We start from letter C. Okay, now, okay, do you know from which we take the photos? Do you know from where we take the photos? Yes, we take the photos from camera. So, C for camera, C for camera, C for camera. And look here, what is this? This is chalk. So, C for chalk. What is this? Chalk. So, C for chalk. C for chalk. Okay. Now here some pictures are there. You have to color the picture. We start from letter C. We start from letter C. Now look here. Which picture is this? This is picture of sun. So it start from C. This is a picture of sun. So it start from C. No. So you will color it? No. We will not color it. Okay. Then look here. Which picture is this? This is picture of cup. This is picture of cup. So you will color it? Yes. We will color it because C for cup. C for cup. C for cup. So we will color the picture. So we will color the picture. Okay. C for cup. Now look here. Which picture is this? This is picture of house. So this picture of house. So house start from letter C. House start from letter C. No. So you will color it? No. You will not do any color. Now next. This is a picture of ball. This is a picture of ball. So C for ball? No. C for ball? No. So you will color this picture? No. You will not color the picture. Okay. Now look here. What is this? This is picture of cat. Picture of cat. So C for cat. What you will do? You will color it? Yes. We will color the picture of cat. We will color the picture of cat. Okay. We will color the picture of cat. This is a picture of cat. Okay. Now look here. This is a picture of pencil. This is a picture of pencil. So it start from C. It start from C. No. It not start from C. Now look here. This is a picture of chair. This is a picture of chair. So C for chair is there? Yes. C for chair. So what we will do? We will color the picture. we will color the picture of chair. C for chair. C for chair. Okay, C for chair. Now look here. What is this? This is camera. This is camera. C for camera. C for camera. So what you will do? You will color it? Yes, because C for camera. C for camera. So what you will do? You will color the picture. C for camera. Okay. This is a picture of duck. So you will color it? No, because D for duck. It is not C for duck. Okay. Now look here. Which picture is this? This is a picture of car. This is a picture of car. C for car. Yes. So what you will do? You will color the picture. You will color the picture. C for car. C for car. Okay. Color the picture nicely and properly. Okay. The color should not go out of the lines. Okay. So what we have done? We have colored the picture of car. Okay. Now, what we have done in this? We have colored the picture. We start from letter C. C for cup, C for cat, C for chair, C for camera, C for car. Very good, my dears. You are so sweet. So you are revising all the stories and rhymes at your home. So you are revising all the stories and rhyme at your home. So let us revise story now one time. Okay? We will revise the story one time now. So that you can learn the story. Okay? The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, there was a lion. It was sleeping under the tree. A mouse came, climbed upon him. A mouse came and climbed upon him. The lion got angry. The lion got angry. The mouse got afraid. The mouse got afraid. The lion smiled. The lion smiled and set him free. The lion smiled and set him free. Once the lion got trapped in a net. Once a lion got trapped in a net. He roared for help. Ooh, he roared for help. The mouse heard his roar. The mouse heard his roar. The mouse came and cut the net. The mouse came and cut the net. The lion smiled and got free. The lion smiled and got free. Good. Clap all of you, my dears. They are so sweet. So, complete your work and revise story every day. What you have to do? You have to revise the story every day. Okay? Till then, bye and have a nice day. Look after yourself. Complete your work regularly.